Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I am simply marvelous. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I have a unit that I bought from Fancivivi, and this is my first time getting a unit from this company. I had always wanted to get a unit from them. This is not sponsored. So I already opened up the package. It came in a bag like this. In a little bag like this. Look at this, guys. You can put your unit back in this bag. And let me tell you guys, this is a 36-inch Boho unit. So we are going to try this baby on. We cap lashes and some beads to put on your wig. A post-sale service card to return or exchange. A bonnet and a band. Buy this little thing here. This is a 30% off. This is their story. Fancy. It comes in the sleeve here. You can put this, hang this up on your little. This is pretty neat. And of course, the wig. And it does not have a smell. Look at this. Now I got. She is holding on. Especially looks like inside. So I'm gonna try it on and see what it looks like without it being tinted first. And we're gonna mousse it down. Oh, she is beautiful. And then cut the lace. I'm going to cut the lace. Look at these curls. But it's lace all around it. You can use the same color match that you use your makeup. Let me use what I had on my brush. Get what I had on this pan. bush looks like. Looks like scalp. I think I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use what I knew for right now. So put some loose on it. Yeah, you're gonna put this all over your wig. You treat it just like human hair, like it's your hair. You're gonna put some curls to meet your mat, some of that. Put some on the ends. Y'all know I can't do baby hair. now we are ready to install. I'm just dropping stuff, y'all. Here she is. This little beauty here. Let's look at this. Look at this, y'all. Full lace wig. This is my scalp. Can't y'all see this? Look at this. I did this. Look. Look. This is absolutely beautiful. This is beautiful. Let's turn around so you all can see what she looks like. I'm gonna take some other pictures downstairs so you all can see exactly how it looks full lick downstairs. I like this. Yeah, look at this. Boho. Boho Fancivivi. I will put the link in the description box below. Yeah, go get y'all one. Just got to be careful. Just keep putting your conditioner stuff in it so it can be nice and, like I said, take care of it like it's your own hair. And be careful so it won't snag and get caught up in stuff, because it will snag. So I will have some extra pictures so you all can see exactly what she looks like, but she is a beauty. Y'all know I can't do baby hairs, but it is what it is. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Till next time, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. and come back and see some other videos. Till next time, peace.